In this lesson, we'll explore a few other arithmetic operators. We'll begin with division. In this example, we'll divide two values together. We'll start by declaring a variable. We'll call it d. The value of d will be 100 divided by 50. Next, we'll set up our output. We'll call the ID div I. And we'll set up a paragraph in our body tag to display the output. And once we save our file, we'll go ahead and preview it in our web browser. And we can see that the correct value is outputted. Next, we'll increment the value of a variable. So to do that, for this example, we'll go ahead and declare a variable called x and give it the value of 5. Next, type in x plus plus and a semicolon. This will increment the value of x by 1. So if x equals 5, the next value up would be 6. We'll store the incremented value in a variable called z. And then we'll go ahead and set up our output. Now we'll go ahead and save the file and refresh our web browser, and we can see the value 6 outputted below our last calculation. We can also decrement the value of a variable. So instead of going up, this time we'll set up a calculation, an arithmetic that decreases the value of the variable. So instead of going from 5 to 6, we'll go from 5 to 4. We'll set up a new variable and we'll call this variable h. Next, type in h minus minus and the semicolon. We'll store the new value in a variable called k and set up our output. Now we'll save our file and refresh our web browser, and we can see that the value of k is outputted.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.